Soldering components on rigid flex PCBs is such a headache. The rigid FR4 withstands high temperatures, but the flexible PI layer warps when heated. High temperatures burn the board, while low temperatures result in poor solder joints. But there's actually a trick to it. The real challenge lies in the different materials. The rigid board withstands heat but components can't be adjusted, while the flexible board fails above 250 C and delaminates at the joint when heated. Slow soldering techniques for rigid boards simply don't work here. Prepare tools in 5 minutes. Secure the flexible section with heat-resistant tape and clamp the rigid section firmly. Choose low melting point soldering and apply rosin to the pads. Set 30W soldering iron to 280 C. Test temperature on scrapboard to avoid scorching. Rigid section technique. Align components. Secure corner pins first, then solder remaining pins one by one. Lift iron after 1-2 seconds. If soldering bridges, blow on joints while iron is still touching. Work quickly on flexible sections. Solder small components in 1 second. Never hold the iron for over 2 seconds. After soldering, blow for 3 seconds to cool and prevent warping. Transition zone is critical. Solder the rigid side first. Use a heat sink clamp to absorb heat from the flexible side. Touch with the iron for 1 second. Pause for 3 seconds. Repeat several times. 3-step inspection. Tweezers pull components without movement. Soldering joint shines while covering half the pad. Flexible section bends 10 times without cracking, only then is it stable. Remember secure placement, low temperature, quick action. Even beginners can solder reliably without damaging the board.